Today I will teach you how to make this wobble effect in After Effects. So first we have to make a new composition. Let's rename it W, and then let's put one single letter, W I guess. We can give it any color we want, and now let's go to align and put it right on the bottom and the middle, and click Y, and while holding Ctrl key put it right in the middle. After doing that, select the layer and go to layer styles and bevel and emboss. Here now let's put the size to 60 and the soften to 16, and then we can put any color we want in the highlight color and the shadow color. I will put pink. Now after that we will go to the layer again, and we will again go to layer styles and put inner shadow styles, and let's open the inner shadows, and here let's put the blending option to normal, and let's put the color to white, and the distance will be 10 and the noise will be 70. Now we will do some animation. So let's select the layer, click S and unlink it. Let's make it around 50, and let's make this one 1, and let's put the keyframe down, and let's go to the, let's make it a little bigger, and now we have to go to 7 frame, I guess 7 frame. Let's make it 100, and let's make it 110. Now we will go to the 13th frame and let's make it 90. Now let's go a little ahead to the 18th frame and let's make it 105. Now again we will go to the 23rd frame and make it 95, and finally we will go to the 28th frame and make it 100. Now select all the keyframes and click F9 to ease in ease out the section, and it will look something like this. Not bad, but we still have more things to do. So let's go to the effects and search wow, and let's put it right here, and we are gonna change it to bold and it's to vertical. Now we will do some more animation again. So in the first we will put it 50 like usual, and let's go to the next frame. For that we can click K. If we click K and J, it will just skip between the frames, and the second frame we will put 35, the third one 30, the fourth one will be -15, now it will be 10, and finally it goes to 0. Again our next animation is also ready, so let's click F9 and ease in ease out this. Now it looks a little good, but we are still not done. Now what we will do, we will go search CC bend, and we will put the CC bend it again, and this time the start and end we have to adjust it. Let's adjust it at the top, and the next one will be in the bottom. And now what we will do is we will again do animation. So let's go to the first and click the keyframe, and this time we will do the animation in the middle. So let's go to around 4th frame and let's put it to 1. Okay, now again let's go to the middle, so it will be around 10, it will be -12. Again let's go to the middle around 15, now it will be 8. In the 21st frame it will be around -4, and finally the 25th frame we will put it to 0, and again we can ease in ease out. If you can't find the keyframe, click the layer and click U, and you can easily find the keyframes, and let's click F9 to ease in ease out, and now finally it's ready. It looks nice. So we are almost kind of done. Now we will make the more letters. So what we will do is we will copy the composition and click enter to rename it, and double click the composition and change the words. Let's put it to O. Now we will do the same thing again and again. After all that, let's make a new composition. Let's give it a background, I will make it purple, I guess. And like let's make a like still type or something we can put the words on top of. And after doing this, let's select all the compositions and let's put it on this main composition. Now let's arrange the letters on the like order however we want to put. After all of it, let's see how it looks. Okay, it's wobbly, but all coming at the same time doesn't like really look nice. So like we can change the timing of the alphabets, like which come first, which comes second and everything. So let's play with the timing. Let's do it, and we can change the like size, the scale of the words, and like we can play with the words however we like to make it good. And now here is our final result. It looks nice, not gonna lie. Thank you for sticking to the end of the video. If you want to learn more about Autodesk Maya and After Effects, subscribe to the channel and comment down below whatever you want to suggest me.